Bhasha. It's not an acronym. It is itself. Bhasha means language, expression, voice. Bhasha is a collective attempt of a large group of Adivasi and other scholars to understand the culture, history, society and arts of the Adivasis and the nomadic communities. Vacha, the Museum of Voice, is a place where the voice of Adivasis is heard. Where voices speaks about traditional knowledge, where voices are released from the objects through display, association with other objects, talks, workshops, performances. An environment in which oral expression is valued through narratives, music, dialogue, performances. The Vacha Museum of Voice forms part of the Adivasi Academy's campus at Tejgarh. Museumization of culture is not on the Academy's agenda. Vacha is created as a national level resource center for the conservation and promotion of the culture and craft of the marginalized communities in India. The museum is a resource center of tribal voice, whose expressions is very cultural, social and public form are being silenced with a structured amnesia. The objective of the Bhasha Academy is to establish a national level tribal academy for the promotion of tribal languages, literature, arts and culture, with a view to initiate formal education in the area of conservation of tribal imagination, to undertake the study and documentation of linguistic, literary and artistic heritage of tribal communities in India, to stimulate and create an awareness among citizens for the preservation of tribal languages, art and imaginative life of tribal communities, to collaborate with the national academies of art and literature as well as with research institutes for the purpose of undertaking and encouraging research in tribal art and literature. Bhasha publication has brought several Adivasi languages to the print medium. It offers Adivasi thought and imagination a platform to voice itself. Adivasi Academy is established to create a unique educational environment for the study of tribal communities. The Academy is aimed to become an institute for the study of tribal history, folklore, cultural geography, social dynamics, economy, development studies, medicine, music, arts and theatre. With its multidisciplinary approach and related interventional measures, the Academy is striving to create a new approach of academic activism.